What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to design modern website, creating stunning UI design, and level up your skills using Figma, then you are in the right place. Because in this channel, we don't just design, we create visual that attracts attention, build brands, and turn ideas into real digital experiences. Whether you're a complete beginner, an aspiring designer, a freelancer, or someone who wants to start making money online using design skills, this tutorial is for you. So make sure you grab your coffee, open your Figma account, and let's start creating something amazing today. And before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of design tutorials you want to see next. Before we start, I just want to quick introduce myself. My name is Jazz, and I am also a beginner in this field of website design, UX, UI learning, Figma designing, and digital content creation. I am still learning, still exploring, and still practicing every day. So everything that I'm sharing here is based on my own experience, trial and error, and free tools that I personally use while learning. I am not professional expert yet, and I'm not affiliated with any company or platform that I mentioned in this video. I simply want to share the things that help me as a beginner, because maybe it can also help you if you are just starting. So if you are learning like me, then let's explore Figma together and let's start designing. Now, inside this rectangle, I want to add another shape. It's basically the same process. Just go to the toolbar at the bottom, click on the shape icon, and choose the shape you want. For me, I'm going to use a square because I want to place something inside this rectangular bar. So once I add it, of course, I want it to blend nicely with the design. Since I'm using a translucent black background, I'll also adjust the shape to match that style. All you need to do is go to the right side under the design panel, then go to fill. From there, you can change the color and play around with it until it fits your design. Now that I have my rectangular shape, I want to make it bit more interesting. Instead of keeping it as a plain rectangle, I want to add more effect to the corners, just to give it more personality and make it stand out to my website or my client. So what I'm thinking is, I'm going to curve the corners a little bit. Do that, go to the right side under the design panel. Beside the opacity section, you'll see something called corner radius. From there, you can adjust how rounded you want your corners to be. Now, as you can see, the corners of my rectangle are slightly curved, and it already looks different compared to a regular sharp rectangle. Alright, I'm going to add some text inside this shape. All you need to do is go to the bottom toolbar and click the T icon. That's your text tool. Then place your cursor right in the middle of the small rectangle we're working on, and just click. You can start typing whatever text you want. And now, as you can see, an email address. It helps guide the user and make it obvious what they need to do. And once your client or your website clicks on this, it can lead them to the next step. So simple, very effective. Now I want to add a little icon inside the shape just to make it more visually clear. What I'm going to do is to go to the toolbar at the bottom part and look for the resources or assets icon. Click that, then go to the icon section. From there, you'll see a lot of different options like icons, illustrations, and many more. Now, since I'm working on an email input, I'm just going to search email in the search bar. And as you can see, it gives you a bunch of different email icon options. So I'll just pick one that I like, and once you click it, it will automatically appear on your canvas. Now, all you need to do is to resize it. Just click and drag to adjust the size until it fits nicely inside your shape. And that's it. It's more clear for your user. Now, it's starting to look more polished and intentional. So, I will showing to you how to group this everything together. All you need to do is select all the elements you want, like text, email icon, and the shape. Just click and drag over them, or hold Shift and click each one. Then right-click and you will see the menu pop up. From there, just choose Group Selection. Now everything is grouped as one, so when you move it, it all moves together. Nothing gets misaligned. And your spacing stays exactly the same. This is super helpful, especially when you don't want to accidentally mess up your layout. So anytime you're working with multiple elements that belongs together, just group them and it makes your design process so much easier. And that's it.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want more informative and beginner-friendly videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps me create more content about Figma, design, and content creation or AI. Comment below what you want to learn next, and I'll see you in the next video.